It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. 1/3 of a tank on the lap.
Yeah.
Huh. Quite good.
Thirsty.
Yeah, not bad.
Wow.
Subaru Impreza Blow-by. It's the one that we haven't had on the channel before, if you do not count the Spec C Type RA of my friend Juha that I took on a public road like 7 years ago before I was driving cars on track. Anyway, I don't remember driving something like this on track, I think. Do you? No.
I don't think I saw one. I saw one of the one after.
Yeah.
I think the lad took it out. He runs ICP parts.
Yeah, we've done a couple of GC8s. I've done a bug eye recently. Haven't posted as of now that video yet. So we're close to doing all of them actually. So anyway, we have here today, Impreza. On the outside, we already have some nice mods. We have PS5 tires. We have Alcon brakes. We have BC coilovers.
Yeah.
Probably some white line stuff underneath
White
or some.
rear roll bar, front roll bar. It's got a front anti-lift kit.
Yeah.
And some other geometry bars, whatever you call them up there. We're just 420 brake, get it and go.
Nice, 420 brake, as you mentioned. We have a half cage, we have bucket seats, we have the proper steering wheel that comes close to you, so you can do actually nice driving position and heel and toe. Let's check underneath, because we always love those. Here we go, because we love. At some point I was thinking that the hood scoop is gonna fly off because it's really vibrating on a high speed. It bounces, but EJ25?
207.
Okay, so 20, yeah.
Yeah, so it's got the RCM headers no pipe.
Yeah.
To a Scooby Cleaning SC42 turbo.
Yeah.
With a 3-inch open mouth Cobra downpipe there with NVIDIA M1 catback.
Nice. So, yeah, and all of that is good for 420 horsepower.
Yeah. I got it mapped in February just to bring it up to the modern day style. It was mapped and built a while ago, a few years ago by the previous owner, and me being me, I just, as the ball just kept rolling, more parts after more parts.
Yeah.
I just, new fuel pump, fresh seals, went through the whole thing, just for more for reliability and not have that Subaru
experience.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, very good.
It's
front mount intercooler. Also, very good.
The intake to a Mishimoto airbox just to try and keep the hot air from the headers away from the filter.
Yeah.
And I do think the bonnet helps a lot.
Yeah. No, for sure.
Vents, like, I do have covers to go over them when it is raining, but I was built for purpose. You've got vents.
Heat soak is a big thing with those engines. Absolutely. I mean, I remember when I was building my GC8, these models were like very current, so everyone was modifying them back then. And every bit of air you can get out of them, people putting bigger scoops or bigger vents, it helps. It's older cars, it's a big issue with having heat soak, especially when you modify it. Even with today's cars, if you do a chip tuning, it overheats instantly, so let alone with an older car. Anyway, we can talk for a long time, but I think it's better if you hear the car talking, or in this case the turbo. It was very nice. Thank you very much. Happy you could make it happen. Tomorrow we go for some taxi laps in the GT3. And yeah, you guys enjoy the lap. Alrighty,
let's go.
Made it.
Hopefully the car does that thing.
Yeah. C-diff. I mean, there's no.
No. That's just different clocks.
Okay.
It's a non-white track.
Yeah. Red line 7.
Yeah.
That.
Got shift light on.
Okay.
quite quiet.
Yeah. Maybe it's for the crash on the last lap.
Right.
Because it was.
Alright, turn the fans on.
You can. Yeah, because it's didn't replace the barrier. Temperature and everything 125 or so.
Spot on for that.
Yeah, so very good. Loved it. It's a bit understeering, but it felt more of a tire setup thing, so alignment based.
I think alignment, I've never had it on any sort of tire thing, anything like that. The previous owner, there was a printout in the book.
Yeah.
The front end, I think it's on something like 2 degree camber, something like that. I mean, whether it's been changed since that's been done, but other than that, it drives in straight line for what I use it for.
Yeah, it works.
It's hard because I'm trying to ask a road car to do a track day. You know what I mean? Like, gotta have what I use the car for 90% of the time. With if I do a track day, it's sort of fun rather than trying to chase anything.
Yeah, of course, but it was not necessarily even like, you know, to be able to go very fast in the corner, even like a low speed corner speed. It was understeery. So I would check simple, not for the amount of camber, but if it's like actually straight,
right,
and it doesn't, like for the rest, the car is good. I mean, power enough, brake performance also good.
Yeah.
And it's just the mid-speed turn in that you when you want to really grip and it doesn't. Everything else is good. It's alright.